We cast these images into the cosmos. If another intelligent civilization intercepts this and understands us, here is our message. This is a present from a small, distant world. A world painted with majestic waters, large forests, and indescribable landforms. A world possessing an existential wealth beyond comprehension, rich with the gift of life. Floating amidst the cosmic void, this pale blue dot is but a canvas to our imagination. In a quest for understanding, we reach beyond our capabilities. We explore, we build, we find that which cannot be and make it so. Centuries pass, our science, culture, and art evolve, our very existence elevated from the ashes of ambition. And this is where we are. As empires rise and fall, we are attempting to survive our time so we may live into yours. On this endless road, we take a moment to reflect, sharing with you a celebration of our goodwill in a vast and awesome universe. A lens into our vision for the future.